Hey, this is Rixin Chen. Today I would like to work on the problems for the lab homework. Today our lab homework is to convert units. First, I would like to work on the first problem. How much cups is 175 grams? At that time, we should convert the units depending on the units we have. 1 cup is 120 grams. So, according to this one, I will show my calculation below. Since we would like to convert, we can easily see that the gram and the other gram will be converted. So, if we would like to have the results, we should do 175 divided by 120. The result is 1.46 cups. Then we will look into the second problem. The second problem is how many ounces equals to 225 grams. You can easily see that 1 ounce and equals to 28 grams. So the problem is how much ounces equals to 225 grams. Since we would like to convert that, we will make sure that since this part's result is equals to 1, so 225, the gram and the gram will be converted. The result should equal to, can be calculated by 225 divided by 28. It is equals to nearly 8.04 ounce. Then let's look into the third question. How many cups of sugar equals to 200 grams? Oh, ignore that. I should look at coastal guaranteed sugar. One cup equals to 198 grams. So 200 grams should equal to how many cups? Let's calculate. It is similar to, since we should convert units, so we should make sure that this fraction equals to 1. So the result should be calculated since we have these 2 grams to be converted. Then we should take the result by 200 divided by 198. It is equal to 1.01 cups. Then the fourth one we should look at about is how much 65 of plant flour equals to how much cups of flour. One cup of all-purpose flour is 120 grams. So the question is asking about the 65 grams. 65 grams of flour equal to how many cups of the all-purpose flour. Since we are looking at the same thing, we have to make sure that it is true that 1 cup equal to 129 grams in this question. So 65 grams should equal to how many cups of the gram? Let us calculate that. This one is the same. In calculating the question, we can convert the grams at the same time. The result should be calculated by 65 divided by 120. The result is 0.54 cups. A cup, excuse me. The last one we look at in this chart is how many cups of chopped pecans is 50 grams. We can see that 1 cup of pecan is 200. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, I saw the wrong thing. We can see that 1 cup equals to 227 grams. So, since we would like to look for 50 grams, first thing we have to do is convert the units to the same thing that we should convert equally. Since it is the same as the last few questions that we can convert the grams at the first time. So the result should be calculated as 50 divided by 227. Thus equal to 0.22 cup. Next thing, we should look at the sixth problem. How much Celsius is equal to 180 Celsius? In this question, the first thing we have to do is to convert the units. That's the same. But we have to calculate about depending on the temperature. First thing we should do is to look up the equation